You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary, many mispronounced, including from Japanese, so stay tuned to the channel, become part of the community. In English, it's often referred to as Nyotaimori or Nyotaimori. Now in Japanese, it is pronounced as Nyotaimori, Nyotaimori, Nyotaimori. Nyotaimori is how you want to say it, or Nyotaimori. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.